Kasi trabaho na tayo. We go to the works from this house to yan yung bahay namin. Ayan. Yes, small wave.
Hello,
Hi, baby. Working. Bye-bye. This is how I go work. Yeah, I walk like this. Now, this is the way to do my drive. Can go here. If raining day, so not so nice, but if no rain, everything's okay. Yes, like this. See the beautiful view of the road that I am. Let me go to work. Yeah, this is how many minutes when you go working. So tired here to go up. Yes, this road is connecting to the other side. Soon we'll be able to connect. This is the building that you can see every day when I'm walking. So tired. But it's already finished. See the view. Every day I walk here. Yeah, 3 minutes. I think maybe 20 minutes walking. There is my shopping mall in that building. When you walk fast, so very fast. When you walk slow, so slow. Fruit stands. Very long time also this fruit stands over here. Yan, Sisi, Jalan, Kiara. So many laya ng dahon. It's fall down.
Ha? Ganda.
5 minutes. I think 15 to 20 minutes walking. It's Mount Kiara, 28. Yes. This is the view you can see over here with handsome security guard. Hi! Hello! This is security, always hello to me every day. Yeah. Yes, over here. This is what can you see over here. Nantiaran Thai Canteen. Porto Romano. Ayan na city. We're having or to take this opportunity to make last video of what I am doing or how far I walk every day to go work. Yeah. Beside of this is a school. Very a bit far, but everything okay. So many trees. Sometimes trees fall down. So sometimes be careful. While walking, sometimes you need to more attentive to the road or the street because sometimes the tree fall down. Then it will fall on your head. Yes, this is a school. So quiet. Ayan mga sis. This is Mount Kiara, Malaysia. One of a nice place. Certified place to live. Nine minutes already. Very nice if the air blow, then some of the small leaves fall down. So nice to see. San Mount Kiara School, International School. This is it. Every day, my daily routine is to pass this street daily. So many people running here with the dogs. nasisi ang Kapuri. Kapuri Condominium. Yan. Well, just making a documentary. What was my daily routine walking from my house that I stay to the restaurant I work. This is how. So 10 minutes of walking. We never stopped. So as you can see, so nice also because so many trees besides. So you cannot feel very hot. Durian at the far. Yan. So we're near already. Maybe 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Yes, this is how my daily routine once again. In the afternoon, so nice to walk over here. So nice over here. So so quiet. You can easily come if you walk so fast. You can be late also if you walk very slow. Yes. So quiet. Villa Monquiera. Guard. Always the guard was waving me. All the guard I passing through, they always waving me. Like they're good friends. Yan. Last time don't have traffic here sa depot so that some people can cross here after the one month here there. So almost 13 minutes to reach. Ferrari. Wow. A Ferrari? No. I don't know. I forgot if it's Ferrari or not. Yeah, this one. Akuris. There is the one Otama, one Monquiara Mall. That one. This one is the one I work. The 116 one. Oh, so almost 15 minutes. 15 minutes of walking. Hyatt House. This mall I work, 163 mall. This is 163 or Sunway 163 Retail Park Mall. Yes. Yeah, we will move there. So 15 minutes of walking. Ayan. This is What can you see? From my house to my work. This is ground floor. So today is upcoming to Christmas. So this is the mall. Yes. This is the iPhone 17 is over there. Wow. What's on? Then we were going to pass through level 1 floor. Yes. Finally, we reach our destination. Yes, so slow. Yeah, we will wait so that we'll know how long. Yeah, that's my workplace. Yes. Yeah, here we go. We're ready. So, yes, this is Paypan Hot Pot 163. That's my CC. It's over there. Yes. Yes, this is it. This is Paypan Hot Pot 163. I'm here now. I'm here now to the locker. So, I reach 1751. Ayan, this is our locker. Small locker. Yan. Yan. So, bye-bye. It's 17:05. I got the time in.